Sweet smile. You find me in the furnace. You'll find me in the flames. 'Cause baby I'm a phoenix. And I'm rising.
Back with another video, guys and girls. This is your boy AJPhoenix Unboxings. So this is none other than Beetlejuice in 4K. So I need to get the first one because I don't have that, and I keep looking at the screen and you're not there, you're in the camera. So yes, I've seen this in the cinema, theatres, whichever one you want to call it, and yes, it is pretty cool, funny. And I didn't realise how old this actress was when she returned in it. I forgot that she was 14, 16, around that age when she played the original one, Beetlejuice. So hope you enjoy it. So as front, guys and girls, as you see. So for the little shine on the side, I've got a little torch in here to help. Get here. So that's the front of the case and the cover. And that's the back of the cover. So kids, always get adult to do the cutting for you, so you don't hurt yourself, because that's the last thing I want you to do, is hurt yourself. And I'm recording this on New Year's Eve, so Happy New Year to you all, because this will be going at just on New Year's Day as well as something else. So yeah, it's only one disc, so it's just 4K only. And that is the actual disc, and it's got special treatment because it's got the actual logo on it, which is a decent thing. So I know these are short videos, guys and girls. I can't really do much. I did a reaction to this anyway on the channel, so I really hope you enjoyed. If you have, you know what to do. Smash the like button, and if you're new, please do a huge favour and subscribe to your Phoenix boy. Your Phoenix boy. My channel, that's what I meant. Be a part of the Phoenix family. So, Happy New Year to you all, and I hope you had a good one, and see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.
You find me in the furnace.